So today we're going to talk about simple past versus past continuous. Let's have a look. First of all, simple past. So it's a completed action. For example, Julia traveled to Paris last year. So if I ask when did she travel? Last year. So it's a completed action. She's not traveling anymore there. So let's have a look here a little bit in deep in my diagram. So Julia traveled to Paris last year. As you can see, last year is a point, is a specific time in the past. So it's not happening now or in the future. So, and the form, just to remember, is pretty simple. So for regular verbs, we add ed. So in the affirmative, for example, she traveled to France. I traveled to France. You traveled to France. In negative, just remember to put did not or didn't, the contraction, plus the verb. For example, she didn't travel to France. I didn't travel to France. You didn't travel to France. So this part's pretty simple. For the interrogative, you just put didn't first. Did she travel to France? Did I travel to France? Or did you travel to France? So it's pretty simple, just to remind you. Let's move on then. So irregular verbs. So we're not going to talk about this today. So always check the verb and remember that it's only going to change in the affirmative. Now let's talk a little bit about past continuous. So past continuous talk about in the middle of an action. For example, Julia was taking pictures when she traveled to Paris. So in her trip, she was taking pictures. Let's see a little bit more clearly in our diagram now. So here, our sentence. Julia was taking pictures when she traveled to Paris. So our timeline. So we have a travel to Paris. As you can see, she was taking pictures inside the travel, inside the trip. So let's have a look on the form too. So our form, pretty simple. So we're going to add to be, was, and were, plus verb, ing. For example, in the affirmative, she was taking pictures. I was taking pictures. You were taking pictures. In the negative, just add not. For example, she wasn't taking pictures. I wasn't taking pictures. You weren't taking pictures. In the interrogative, just put was first. Was she taking pictures? Was I taking pictures? Were you taking pictures? So pretty straightforward. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice a little bit. Don't forget to do the quiz and see you soon. Bye.